Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Nest and Google credentials are ready and linked. This avoids account conflicts later. Power the camera and put it into pairing mode. Look for a blinking LED or QR code on the device. Open the Nest app on your phone, sign in, and tap Add New Device. Once done, allow Bluetooth and location access so the app can detect the camera. That initial detection is the key to moving into the configuration steps quickly and securely. You now tell the app which camera to add and how to connect it to your network. Select camera, pick the exact model, then scan the QR code or manually type the setup code printed on the device. This pairs device identity with your account. Next, choose the 4 GHz Wi-Fi network for better range if prompted, type the Wi-Fi password, and wait for the camera to report a successful connection. If the app shows progress, let it finish while you keep the phone nearby. Once the camera connects, name it and assign a location so notifications make sense. Then configure activity zones and notification preferences to reduce false alerts. If firmware updates appear, install them now because stability and security depend on current software. Test live view and motion alerts to confirm video and audio work. If anything fails, reboot the camera and router, then retry pairing. That restart often clears temporary network or handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.